Best private student loans. Private student loans are a great thing, and for a lot of people, they can provide some really good options. Not everyone has the money for these loans, and in the end, you can obtain an impressive result. Here are some tips and tricks to get started. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Number 5. Credible. Credible is suitable for undergraduate and graduate users. It gives $1,000 and upward. The credit score, however, will vary based on the situation. The same thing happens with fees. They'll be different based on how much money you need. This is a marketplace and not a direct lender, which is something that you need to keep in mind. Number 4. Discover. Discover is covering undergraduate and graduate, as well as parents. You can have a repayment term of up to 15 or even 20 years. The minimal credit score is 660 for this. There are no fees, and this is a direct marketplace. Number 3. Earnest. Earnest comes with similar features. In their case, they have a minimal credit score of 650. Other than that, they have the same requirements as Discover. This is not an option for parents, they just cover undergraduate and graduate options. Number 2. Sallie Mae. Sallie Mae is good for parents, careers, K-12, graduates, and undergraduates. You can have a repayment term from 5 to 20 years, and the APR is from 1.25%. There's no specific credit score requirement, and there are no fees. And number 1. College Avenue. College Avenue is very dependable. The minimal credit score is 640, and the APR starts from 1.24%. As a whole, their package is the most advantageous one, and the quality of service is among some of the best. If you want a great private student loan, here you have some of the best experiences and services on the market. Just check it out for yourself, and you'll be very happy with the results and process as a whole. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.